Hi guys, welcome to Sithole Mina Channel. I'm Sithole. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, guys. I want to apologize for Friday. We're supposed to drop Kasige stories, guys. I made a mistake because I was sharing some videos. And then I deleted the footage by mistake, guys. So I'm really sorry for that, guys. It will never happen again. And then I want to apologize again to the team because they did what they're supposed to do, Kasige stories team. Then I want to say shout out to Spusiso, who's giving us content for soccer. I really appreciate what he's doing. It means we're building a network, guys. We're building a network. So please make sure you subscribe, guys. Subscribe and become part of the family. And then know the game. They are still on a pause. I think they're not finding people who have some talent or something to shoot with. So guys, I'm looking for people who wants to shoot. We are not paying anyone, guys. We're not paying anyone. Somebody who wanna put yourself out there, guys. Somebody who love YouTube around Soweto. It's either if you are at Orlando East or you're around Freedom Park. So I just need two people. It's maybe two ladies and a guy or two guys. So please, guys, if you do wanna shoot anything on YouTube, if you wanna, if you wanna advertise, if you wanna, just to push yourself out there, guys, the channel is available, guys. You'll see some numbers here. Please text me on WhatsApp, then we'll take it from there. So a lot of people were busy asking me if they were busy saying, yo, you are not dropping anything, what's going on? We only see Kasige stories, ladies chat, know the game, the Gen Zs as well, soccer. Why you're not dropping anything, guys? Like, I can't record myself and have like conversation on my own. I need people. So I need people who are willing to come and shoot anything, guys. So if you're around Freedom Park or you're around Orlando, maybe Mswaledi as well, people who are close by Freedom Park, please hit me up and then we can do something. It's either it's two ladies or it's guys. I don't care. If we can have if I can have like two people, guys, if I can have two or three people, we may be four of us or just two of us. Please hit me up, guys. So apologies again, guys, for deleting a footage for Kasige stories. They have worked so hard, to give you guys a content. Then I did that mistake for deleting it. So I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. It will never happen again. That was a very wrong move that I did, guys. So yeah, man, please, guys, subscribe, guys, and then come through. If you have a talent, if you have like your brand that you want to push, if you have a music out, if you know somebody who's doing this, or if you know somebody who have a talent, actually, just tell them that, yo, man, I saw these things, please, let's go and advertise. It's for free, guys. Please come through. So yeah, man, have a lovely day. So I'll see you when we drop something. Cheers, guys.